Hey there. Thank you.
Hold and take a look at that thing.
Yeah, well, yeah. Sorry, I'm just
circulating
putting in the oil right now.
Yeah. Okay, I got it.
The air.
Yeah, we notice a little bit of vibration at certain RPM, so that's probably what's going on. Out of balance. Got weight on one side and no weight on the other.
Tell me that again.
This is electrolysis damage. It's minimal for a 15-year-old propeller. And then I'm going to spin the propeller so you can see the other ear. You can see a similar zone here,
yes.
and then a couple minor zones in the blade itself.
Okay.
But nothing to worry about.
Okay. Nice to see all this. My gosh. And that's the missing zincs there.
Correct.
What day is the boat?
And it wasn't driving. 2 zincs there.
Hi guys, we're about to furl your sail. Wanted to send you a quick video. Sail looks nice. Battens are fully loaded. And just to show you over here, we have a black mark on your main halyard and we have it tied off so it won't slip. Let's go for furl. We are furling it in. The inside jammer is furl in. That's the line we're pulling in. Sail's furling up nicely. You want to furl at a reach or at 140 apparent wind direction. Buttons look like they're pretty good. And we're gonna stop it a little bit further, guys. So the top of the sail is fully in the cover right there. All right, so now we're gonna unfurl. And how we unfurl is we're gonna load up the outhaul on the winch. Okay, we are going to hand unfurl the second jammer. So as we pull this, we push this button. Go for it. See if I can show you. So hand unfurling, as you can see Ben doing over there, helps it especially with these vertical battens. It comes out nice and smooth, and then that is all the way out. The foot is tight. So now we're going to reverse the process, and we're going to load up the inside jammer on the winch. We're going to take this off the winch. Now, when going downwind with sail, with the wind in the sail, you can ease a decent amount of out haul. You just don't want the sail ever to flog. Go for it. All right. Other things while we're on the boat that we did is this piece stops the out haul car, and it was way up here. This helps on the initial unfurl. Okay. We readjusted the boom topping lift. We also noticed that the jib, the sun cover is a sticky cover that sticks on it, and it's wearing out. It's time to take this sail and sew on a sunbrella cover. Let us know if you want us to remove it. We can take care of it if you want. We'll bring it in, and once the sail's at the sail loft, they can give us a price to put a new cover on it. All right, thank you.
So this is a bow thruster. I guess that would need one. My gosh, look at it.
Mr. Palmer, look up and smile. Hey. Here's our other crew. He's busy. You can tell she's a deckhand.
I'll sit here like we didn't do anything. You did all
No.
yourself. Okay?
You did all the work, Bob. All I did is sit around and talk. Yeah, beautiful day. There's the crew, the Obatanga crew.
Hey. Yeah.